In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or update the contact email on your Facebook business page. Keeping your contact email current on your page is essential because it's one of the quickest ways customers can reach you. Before you start, make sure you're logged in to the Facebook account that manages your business page, and ideally use a desktop browser for the clearest view of the page settings. First, head to your Facebook business page. This is the public page for your brand or organization, not your personal profile. Once you're on your page, look just below your profile picture and select About. This section holds your business details, things like your category, location, and contact methods, so it's the right place to make changes that visitors will actually see. In the About section, scroll until you find the Contact and Basic Info area. This is where Facebook stores your email, phone, website, and other basics. It's a good moment to glance over what's already there and confirm it all looks accurate and consistent with your branding. Next, click Add Email. If you already have an email listed, you may see an option that lets you adjust it, but the action you're looking for is the one that allows you to add or set the email address for your page. Type in the new business email you want customers to use. Choose an address that's monitored regularly, ideally a shared inbox your team can access, so inquiries don't slip through the cracks. Double-check spelling and avoid using a personal email if you can. A role-based address looks more professional and is easier to manage over time. When you're confident the address is correct, click Save. After saving, your page will display the updated email, making it visible to visitors who want to contact you. This update takes effect right away, so if someone clicks or copies that email from your page, their message will go to the address you just entered. If you ever need to change or edit the email later, look for the 3 dots and the Edit option near the contact details. Selecting that will let you update or remove the email without having to start from scratch. It's a quick way to keep your contact information aligned with any changes in your team or your communication tools. And that's it. You've added your business email to your Facebook page, making it easier for customers to reach you and for you to stay responsive. Keep this section up to date, and you'll maintain a smooth, professional line of communication with your audience.